Alright, I'm taking a video. Ross is here, just released the sugar can and getting ready to extract the queen.
Okay, you can tell the queen's in there.
Yes.
all the bees all over.
All those guys.
Alright, so I always like to make sure she's alive. And we just kind of brush our finger right here. And there she is. She's the big one in there.
Ah, yeah, I can surely tell. Yeah.
So a lot of times bees will land on us because we're warm and it's kind of a cooler morning. So very natural for bees to be on us. And they've been in there for a few days. So if I come out and poop, let's try the sharp screw. Yeah, they want her out.
Definitely.
And there's two corks. This is the candy side, so the bees can eat this candy and free that queen. Let's see. Yeah, it's always a little tricky there.
I was gonna say
There we go.
have a wine cork extractor.
She's alive. The cage is out. Screen side out. Oh. Yeah, I was wondering about that. If that would go through that wood or not. Yep. There we go.
Oh, good. Okay.
She's in there. Alright. Now's the fun part. I'm gonna have to shake all these bees in there.
Okay.
And it's gonna be a lot of them. Just like that. Yeah. I call these like sticky bees because they're so full of sugar. They're just like, like molasses.
Too fat to fly?
Yeah. And a lot of these are young bees, and they don't actually even fly yet. They don't fly until the last 2 weeks of their life.
Oh,
They
okay.
only live 6 weeks. In the winter, they'll live for months, but once they get flying, they fly themselves to death until their wings fly off, basically, or flap off. Let's see. Okay. And normally I'll leave that about right there. Something like that. So what's important is that all these touch.
Okay. Yeah, I took 3 of them out.
Go. Alright. Nice and tight, so we just keep them about evenly spaced from the outsides.
Okay.
And nice. Good job painting too, looks great.
That was my wife. If our granddaughter was here, we'd have her paint the paint this too. So.
Right there. Everything's ready to go. Great.
Yeah, what I didn't do was put the front door in.
Oh yeah. I don't always. I did a lot of them the other day. I didn't use the entrance reducer. Good. And then sometimes I'll kind of help them with this piece of wood, maybe as a little bridge to
Oh,
there.
so they can walk in.
Yep. Protect them from any cold winds coming. Yeah, they're gonna be set up. They're gonna love it here.
Good.
Yeah, easy. So usually in about 2 or 3 days, 3 days, we check to make sure the queen was released.
Okay.
ideally, because you want to get that cage out of there, and they're going to be just as gentle as they are today.
Sure.